Welcome back to our channel. It's great to have you here. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of affiliate programs and explore some of the amazing benefits they have to offer. Whether you're a business owner looking to expand your reach or an individual looking to make some extra income, affiliate programs can be a powerful tool for achieving your goals. Throughout the video, we'll cover everything from the basics of affiliate marketing to some advanced strategies for maximizing your earnings. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. We've also included some helpful links in the description below if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the exciting world of affiliate programs together. Are you passionate about a particular product or service and would like to turn your passion into profit? If so, you might want to consider affiliate marketing as a potential source of income. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service through a special link provided by the merchant. When a customer clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission for that sale. Joining an affiliate program comes with plenty of benefits that can help you supercharge your online success. For starters, it allows you to earn passive income by promoting products or services that you truly believe in. Additionally, affiliate programs usually provide you with a wide range of promotional materials, such as banners and links, that you can use to promote the product or service effectively. Furthermore, by joining an affiliate program, you can leverage your network and expand your reach. By promoting the product or service to your audience, you can expose them to a new product or service that they might not have discovered on their own. This can ultimately lead to increased sales and revenue for the merchant, as well as more commission for you. Overall, affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your passion and earn a sustainable income online. With the right strategy and dedication, you can turn your affiliate marketing efforts into a profitable business. Segment 1. Passive Income Potential. Passive income is an income stream that you can earn without actively working for it. This type of income is generated through various channels such as rental income, dividends, and investments. One of the most popular ways to earn passive income is through affiliate marketing. This marketing method involves partnering with affiliate programs to promote their products or services through your blog, website, or social media platforms. When you sign up for an affiliate program, you will receive a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote the product or service. If someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you will receive a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can earn money even while you are sleeping or doing other things. Your affiliate links will remain active 24/7, meaning that you can potentially earn money around the clock. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn passive income because it doesn't require a lot of effort on your part. All you need to do is create quality content that promotes the affiliate product or service and encourages your audience to click on your affiliate link. Moreover, you don't need to worry about creating and managing your products or services, which can be time-consuming and costly. Imagine waking up in the morning to notifications of commissions earned overnight. It's like getting paid for doing nothing. With affiliate marketing, you can earn a steady stream of passive income that can supplement your regular income and help you achieve financial freedom. Segment 2. Diverse Revenue Streams. Affiliate marketing offers numerous opportunities to diversify your revenue streams and increase your earning potential. One of the key benefits of this marketing strategy is the possibility of promoting a wide range of products and services that resonate with your target audience. By identifying the products or services that your audience is most interested in and aligning them with your niche, you can create a diversified portfolio of sources of income. One way to diversify your revenue streams is to focus on promoting products and services that complement each other. For example, if you run a fitness blog, you can promote workout equipment, health supplements, and fitness apparel, all of which appeal to your audience's interests and needs. Another way to maximize your earning potential is to leverage the power of affiliate networks to promote a variety of products and services. Affiliate networks are platforms that connect publishers, affiliates, with merchants, advertisers, and offer a wide range of products and services to choose from. By joining these networks, you can access a large pool of advertisers and products to promote to your audience, which can help you diversify your revenue streams and generate more income. In summary, diversifying your revenue streams is a crucial aspect of affiliate marketing. By promoting a variety of products and services that resonate with your audience, you can create multiple sources of income and maximize your earning potential. Segment 3. Minimal Investment, Maximum Returns. With affiliate marketing, you have the opportunity to start a business with minimal investment and still achieve maximum returns. Unlike traditional business ventures, which require significant capital to get started, affiliate marketing is accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a platform to share their unique affiliate links. By promoting products or services through your affiliate links, you can earn a commission for each click or conversion generated from your audience. The best part is that you don't have to create your products or handle customer service, as that is the responsibility of the merchant. Moreover, the beauty of affiliate marketing is that you have the flexibility to choose the products or services that you want to promote. This allows you to promote products that you genuinely believe in and align with your values and interests. In essence, affiliate marketing is a low-risk, high-reward business model that has the potential to generate significant income streams over time. Segment 4. Flexibility and freedom. Are you tired of the mundane 9-to-5 work schedule that seems to take up most of your time? Are you looking for a more flexible and independent way of earning a living? If so, affiliate marketing offers a great opportunity to take control of your work-life balance. Affiliate marketing is a form of digital marketing where you promote products or services on behalf of a company. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is the flexibility it provides. You are not bound by a traditional work schedule, and you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. This means that you can work at your own pace, on your terms. You can prioritize your personal life without sacrificing your income. For instance, if you're a stay-at-home parent, you can work on your affiliate marketing business during your child's nap time or after they've gone to bed. If you're a digital nomad, you can work from a beach in Thailand or a co-working space in Bali. The possibilities are endless. Moreover, affiliate marketing allows you to achieve financial independence by putting in the effort and dedication required to build a successful business. You are not limited by a fixed salary or a boss telling you what to do. Instead, you have the freedom to set your own goals and work towards achieving them. In conclusion, affiliate marketing provides the flexibility and freedom that many people crave. It allows you to take control of your time and work when and where you want. If you're tired of the constraints of the traditional workday, then affiliate marketing might be the perfect solution for you. Segment 5. Building relationships and trust. Affiliate marketing is a highly competitive industry, and achieving success in it requires more than just financial rewards. One of the key factors that can make or break your affiliate marketing business is building strong and long-lasting relationships with your audience. The relationship that you cultivate with your followers is crucial in establishing credibility and trust with them. It's essential to promote products or services that you believe in and have used yourself, as this will help you gain the trust of your followers. By doing so, you can create a genuine connection with your audience, and they are more likely to become loyal customers. It's not enough to focus solely on promoting products to your followers, you must prioritize building relationships with them. A strong relationship with your audience can lead to long-term partnerships and a positive reputation as a trustworthy affiliate marketer. By consistently promoting products that you believe in, you can build a positive reputation that will attract even more customers and opportunities. In building relationships with your audience, it's essential to understand their needs and preferences. You should engage with them consistently, provide them with valuable content, and address their concerns promptly. By doing this, you create a positive impression in their minds, and they are more likely to trust you and the products you promote. In conclusion, building lasting relationships with your audience is essential for success in affiliate marketing. Focus on promoting products that you believe in and building trust with your followers. By doing so, you can create a positive reputation for yourself, attract more customers, and open up even more significant opportunities for your business. As we come to the end of this discussion, let's take a moment to recap the numerous benefits that come with joining affiliate programs. By becoming an affiliate marketer, you'll have access to a vast network of products and services, each with the potential to generate significant income. Furthermore, you'll have the flexibility to choose your niche, set your schedule, and work from anywhere in the world. If you're ready to take your online journey to the next level, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below. There, you'll find a wealth of resources and updates that will help you stay ahead of the game. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for even more valuable content. By doing so, you'll stay up to date on the latest trends and strategies in the world of affiliate marketing. And, of course, we encourage you to join our community of aspiring affiliates. There, you can connect with like-minded individuals, share your successes and challenges, and learn from one another. As we wrap up, we'd like to thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this discussion informative and inspiring. Remember, with hard work and dedication, you too can become a successful affiliate marketer. So, until next time, keep hustling and happy affiliating.